Welcome to this phone transformer, where today I will show you how to deactivate voicemail on Android so you can manage your calls more effectively. This process is quick and easy to follow, so now let's get started. Step 1, open the phone app located on your home screen or in your app drawer. This is the primary application you use to make calls and access your communication settings. Step 2, click the 3 dots button or tap the gear settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. This icon opens the menu where you can customize how your phone handles incoming and outgoing calls. Step 3, go to settings or carrier features within that menu to find your advanced calling options. Accessing this area is important because it contains the specific network controls provided by your mobile service. Step 4, click voicemail from the list of available options to manage your mailbox preferences. This section allows you to view your current voicemail status and configuration details. Step 5, then click Setup and click your voicemail number to view the specific digits assigned to your account. This number is what the network dials to forward your missed calls to the recording service. Step 6, delete the number and tap the OK button to save your changes and finalize the process. Removing this number breaks the link to your mailbox, which effectively stops the voicemail service from picking up. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.